In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Squarespace site. Navigating the Squarespace platform can seem intimidating at first, but once you know where to click, it's quite straightforward. Whether you're a business owner, a creative professional, or someone just dabbling in web design, getting a live preview of your site is essential for making sure everything looks just right before publishing it to the world. Let's dive in. First things first, start by heading over to the Squarespace website. This is your gateway to accessing all of Squarespace's features, including viewing your site. The homepage of Squarespace serves as the front door to managing your online presence. After arriving at Squarespace's homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you closer to accessing your website's backend, where all the magic happens. Once you've clicked Login, you'll encounter several options for how to proceed. For simplicity and convenience, I suggest clicking on Continue with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account credentials to access Squarespace, streamlining the process by connecting your accounts. It's a quick and secure way to log in without having to remember another password. After selecting to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. Make sure you select the account associated with your Squarespace site. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, this step might just be a simple click. Once logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. Sometimes Squarespace directs you to a general dashboard where you can see any sites you're managing or contributing to. Look for your website's name or URL listed and click on it. This action will take you to a landing page or dashboard specifically for your website, giving you access to a variety of tools and settings. To actually view your site as visitors would, search for an icon or link that resembles an arrow in the top right corner of your dashboard. This icon signifies the action of previewing or viewing your site. It might not always be an arrow, but it's usually located in a prominent spot and clearly meant for viewing your website. Click on this icon and voila, you'll be taken to a live preview of your Squarespace site. This view is exactly what visitors see when they navigate to your URL. It's an essential tool for reviewing your work, catching any issues, and making sure the visitor experience is exactly as you intended. Spend some time here navigating through your site, checking load times, responsiveness, and the overall look and feel. Remember, this is your digital storefront, so it should represent you or your business accurately and attractively. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to viewing your Squarespace site. Navigating and managing a website can seem complex, but with the right instructions, it's manageable and even enjoyable. Keep experimenting, tweaking, and learning. The digital world is always evolving, and so should your site. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.